Alright, we are at
Evangeline's in Old Sacramento.
Let's take a ride on this old birdcage looking elevator that is not really a birdcage.
Leave the nerds together.
There they go.
Right there. Oh, he's right there.
Can you see out of this thing?
Yep. Once it goes up past the...
What's the best view?
Like that way.
This is pretty epic. This is actually in a Halloween store. B's locked. One works.
Believe it or not, this is actually a ThyssenKrupp mod.
This is a ThyssenKrupp, you said. Alright, now let's look out going down. This is a neat elevator. Alright, now we will exit. And there it goes. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.